Hello everyone, my name is Ankur Roy and today I am here to walk you through my return performance and year-over-year growth dashboard. This dashboard provides a comprehensive view of return behavior, employee contribution and year-over-year growth trends. It is designed to give quick insights through KPIs, visual comparisons and regional distribution of returns. At the top of the dashboard, I have included 3 KPIs. Each KPI includes a built-in year-over-year indicator represented using arrows and percentage changes. This allows the user to quickly identify whether the performance has improved or declined compared to the previous year. For example, here in the return rate, the 4.44% is the return rate and the year-over-year indicator shows a significant increase of 59.66%. Similarly, in the average return value, here we can see the value is $356.98 with a year-over-year decrease of 40.92%. In the return count, we can see the value is 297 with a strong year-over-year increase of 160.53%. These 3 KPIs immediately summarizes the overall returns performance. To make the dashboard interactive, I have added slicers for month, year and employee. These allow the user to filter the entire dashboard by specific time periods or individual employees, providing a personalized and detailed view. On the left side, we have a donut chart showing the employee percentage contribution to returns along with the year-over-year comparison tooltip. This visualization helps identify which employee contributes the most to the total returns. For instance, Anna contributes around 61% of the total returns, and in the previous year we can see Anna's return percentage contribution as 58.77%, and we can also see the difference between them as 2.69%. Just by hovering over any slicer, we can reveal the year-over-year distribution changes and helping identify shifts in responsibilities or performance over time. Next, we have the bar chart. The bar chart compares the employee return percentage for the current year versus the last year and the difference between the both. This visualization provides a clear year-over-year comparison for each employee. For example, Anna has a significantly higher returns in the current year than the last year, while the other employees show more stable or moderate changes. This chart is especially useful for identifying employees who are seeing increased return activity and may require process review or support. In the map visualization, we can see the return count and total returns by state. Here, if we hover onto these, we can see the state name along with the return count and the total return value. The bubble size represents the volume, helping quickly identify return heavy regions. This helps uncover geographic patterns. Some states may consistently show higher returns due to product mix, demand behavior or regional preferences. At the bottom of the dashboard, we have a monthly return trend line chart with year-over-year layover. The green line represents the monthly return counts for the selected year or the total years, while the blue line represents the same month from the previous year. This visual clearly highlights the seasonal spikes, dips and long-term trends. For example, we can see increase during certain months, and the year-over-year overlay helps quickly access whether the current month is performing better or worse than the last year. The dashboard follows a clean and structured design. I grouped the KPIs at the top for immediate visuality, placed employee focused visuals in the center and positioned the geographic and trend insights on the right and bottom. Rounded corners and subtle shadow improve visual hierarchy and make the dashboard more modern. Overall, this dashboard provides a complete and insightful view of the returns performance with the interactive filtering, year-over-year comparisons, and clear visual storytelling, fulfilling all the requirements of the client. Thank you for watching my dashboard walkthrough.